This video explains the process menu in the left side navigation. Under Process, you find a best practice structure of the process content. The element types represent different dimensions of what, who, when, and how. Click on the element type Workflow and Activities to get an overview of already modeled workflows and activities. The list on the left side is mirrored in the middle view. Select the workflow to get the process visualization. As before, the left side is also shown in the visualization. If you click on an activity, it is highlighted in orange. The widgets shown below display related information to this activity. The element types, workflows, and activities contain the information of what should be done. Use the breadcrumb trail to navigate back to the top process menu. Alternatively, click on the up arrow to navigate up one level. Let us have a look at the folder Work Products. This element type is used as in or outputs for workflows and activities. The visualization of work products shows its relation to processes or depending relations to other work products. In the widget Activities, you see where the work product is used as in or output. This can be used as a direct link to an activity. This is one way of getting back to the folder Workflows and Activities. Since we now know what should be done, next we will model answers to the question who does it. In other words, which role is responsible. The folder Roles contains all necessary roles for the process, and the role visualization gives an overview of all activities associated with this role. In this case, the Requirements Manager is the responsible role for the discussed activity. We can navigate from the role back to the activity by just clicking on any link. Looking into the folder Phases and Milestones, we get the answer to when activities must be done or work products must reach a certain maturity. The icon and the pink tiles distinguish between phases and milestone elements. Selecting a milestone, the visualization shows the sequence of phases and milestones as well as their associations below. For instance, which work products are relevant for which milestone. Finally, let's investigate guidance, listing elements which answer how the process is executed. For example, this can be modeled with practices. A practice describes the method with which an activity is executed. This structure depicts the best practice meta model called unified configuration. Your stages instance might have a different structure and use a different terminology.